The Department of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture, in partnership with the Winnie Madikizela Mandela Local Municipality, hosted the annual Umzila Katambo Marathon, a powerful tribute to the late struggle icon and global statesman Oliver Reginald Tambo. More than just a race, this marathon is a symbolic journey that retraces Tambo's footsteps from his birthplace in Nkantolo village, right here in Bizana. Every year, athletes from across South Africa and beyond come together for the 5-kilometer, 21-kilometer, and 42-kilometer races, transforming the roads of Bizana into a vibrant celebration of endurance, unity, and community pride. Through this event, DSRAC continues to blend sport and culture as tools for nation-building, social cohesion, and reconciliation, the same values that shape Tambo's legacy. Each stride taken by the runners echoes his unwavering spirit of perseverance, his call for freedom, and his dream of a united South Africa rooted in equality and humanity. The marathon stands as a living legacy, reminding all generations that through sport we can honor our past, inspire the present, and build a future of shared pride and purpose.
Welcome, local people, local stories, Congolese Times, broadcasting live and direct to Takamba from the Alfenzo community radio station. Sisi, ubeka ngene Bizana.
Thank you, Mr. Tambuza. Okay, apha eBizana namhlanje, obviously we're here kulento inkulu yomzila kaTambo. So we were here nathi, obviously doing the core business kuqala, and then we participated in the race ourselves to make sure that we're in the fields with the people. Siva yonke into aba-experienceayo. So we were here at very early hours namhlanje, and then participator and ngenile ku 5 kilometers, and I'm happy to say bandiyena.
How's your experience? Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you. I feel like it'd be nice. It wasn't as challenging as I thought it would be, 5 kilometers.
Yeah.
And then seeing other people beyenza bebaleka even ezinye kilometers eziphezulu. It was a great experience, and it's my first time doing the Lagatambo.
Yeah.
So I think it's a good thing.
After the race, for the first time, participate because of moving forward.
This was not my first race. My first one be XJ Athletics 10 years, XJ 10, a second edition. I was part of it, and in the Balegile, and yeah, Naku and Dakuba. So I'm hoping actually to continue. Yes,
yeah.
Obviously, again, Manantata.
Did you do any preparations for a race?
I did. Yes, I did do some preparations up in but juggling where umsebenzi and preparations of Jima. It's not as easy as it sounds. Hence, etata very slow pace, nandi baleka njenge pace yam encinci, just to make sure I get to the finish line, and then especially amba. I'm hoping bandi cool and ndingene nakwezinye mhlambe kilometers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Short, live and direct. So I Congolese Times, local people, local stories. So interview umama later namhlanje kwi-race kaMzila kaTambo. Mama, umama ubani usuka ndawoni?
Ndimama Phiri ndisuka apha eBizana eMhlanga.
Wena mama, utata uTambo ngumuntu obaluleke kakhulu apha eBizana. Uziva njani babantu bam-honorishe ngolu hlobo bam-honorishe ngayo?
Ndiziva ndichulumancile.
Namhlanje kule race iparticipate umuntu omncinci omdala ophakathi nendawo omde omfutshane, kodwa wena kule age okuyo ungathini xa uyala abantu abadala uba baparticipate, bajime, babe active?
Ndingathi kule nto yanamhlanje, okokuqala ndiqala nokungena kuyo. Okwesibini, bendingacela ukuthi thina lutsha nabantu abangabanye, xa ithuba sinalo make sibosukuma phantsi sijime, sikoba masiloke siphilile, ngoba ukujima impilo. Noba uyagula uhleli phantsi, kodwa ubukhe wajima nje wajima waphila.
Siyabulela mama, bese sigcine emfutshane kanjalo.
All right.
Dankie mama uPhiri.
Mina nguSizwe kaNcalane, ngisuka ku-Next Elite ezinze eThekwini ngomthetho la izinze khona. U-Next Elite is a good club in South Africa. Athletes all over South Africa and all over Africa.
Wonderful.
Yes, we've got a lot of athletes of which they are participating even here. There are a lot of athletes, and also they are participating in other races because club nje enkulu kakhulu eSouth Africa, Max Delete. Yeah, we got I didn't count there. I think there are more than 15, but we have in different events.
Yeah.
So it's more than 15 Okonala different events. Yeah.
Okay.
My brother is as a coach, of which I've been here doing industry athletics for some years. Experience is not good at all. I won't lie to you. Since yesterday, when we were coming in for registration, sitholane neyinkinga eziningi yabo in terms of our registrations. There were a lot of hiccups, of which kuspoke ukuthi asiqale phansi siyokhokhela ama-athletes kuma-ATM, of which we have never done that in KZN, and also in other races in other provinces. But we use technology. That's what we know.
Yeah.
Then when we came here, we find the same thing is manual. Even if you the money, you have to go to the bank and all those stuff. So we encounter our difficulties, and also there are a lot of loopholes in terms of race organizing, of which they have to acquire more information with how do you organize an event of such caliber. If you want to grow, imali but what is important, are you ensuring that athletes are safe on the road? Because intersibona important thina asiboni ku-safe, sibona imoto iphambana ama-athlete even ezona zamaphoyisa kwazona they are doing something engavumelekile ukuthi ublock ama-athletes while the athletes they are getting money and block but we pay, so you're telling yourself to pay the metro and look at important, but you are doing something wrong. Ngisho ukuthi lokho kuwena yazi umuntu ophethe umthetho. And also ama-race organizers kufanele nawo asebenze kanzima ukuthi alungise lesimo lesi. Awukwazi ukuthi kube khona ama-athletes aqalayo amanye ama-athletes esasele eseyimotweni, and you know very well ukuthi you are the one who is organizing the race. I think as ama-race organizers kubalulekile ukuthi balufune ulwazi ukuzehlisa uthekele kwamanye ama-province ukuthi how do they organize ama-race amakhulu, of which afaka amagama abantu ama-hero, of which if your race is failing, it means that you are failing that particular family and you are failing that particular hero anything I represent. So ngicabanga ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi baye kwamanye ama-province. KwaZulu-Natal is well organized in terms of race organizing. So abaye bayocela ulwazi, balungise lesimo, bazi ukuthi emgwaqeni yini kufanele yenzeke. Ayiqali irace ntankulu bengafikile abagijimi. Ayiqali, uyakwazi ukuyidile i-race even by 15 minutes uyayidelay i-race, but 30 minutes awuvumelekile, but 15 minutes uyakwazi uvumelekile ngokwaqasa. So bekufanele bayidelay i-race ukuze amanye ama-athletes agcine sefikile ku-starting point, aqale wonke ama-athletes ensuring ukuthi man, ayikho i-athlete esemgwaqeni eseza kulo event kulo starting point. So i-communication iyona key. So what I see here, there is no communication. That's what exactly is. I won't lie to you. I've been different races. I organize Omaspal. In some schemes, you find which people want to draw some money from the municipality and pretending as if into bayenzile. But mase sibuka sesihlaziya thina sihlala phansi sihlaziya as coaches, we realize ukuthi it's a money scheme. Akuyona lento efanele yenziwe, because into ebalulekile la organizer sibone race ukuthi yenzakile, and noma observers nationally, provincially bahelp in along. Angazi ukuthi mina mhlambe ukuthi wona federation lase Eastern Cape ucabangile ngalento eyenzekayo la babe kubona babonani la bathini. You think they involved the federation? Do they know the race? I've seen some of them. Okay, I've seen some of them. I have some of them. If they can, what their observations? Because again, this you need to look at organizing in Amtampo. I feel like I'm looking at